Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create stunning Instagram posts using Canva. Whether you're sharing updates, promoting your brand, or just having fun with design, this guide will help you make professional-looking posts quickly and easily. Start by heading over to Canva and logging into your account. If you're new, signing up is free. Once you're in, type Instagram post into the search bar at the top. This will bring up templates perfectly sized for Instagram, giving you a strong starting point for your design. Scroll through and find a template that fits your style or theme. Look for free options if you prefer, and pick one that resonates with the message you want to share. Once you've found it, click Customize this template to open the Canva editor. Now you can make the post your own. Edit the text, add images, change colors, and tweak any element to match your brand or personal style. Canva makes it easy to experiment, so feel free to play around with layouts, fonts, and graphics. A helpful tip: use the highlight feature to draw attention to important text or graphics. This is great for promoting sales, events, or any key message in your post. It guides your audience's focus and makes your content more effective. When your post looks perfect, save it and share it directly to Instagram. With these steps, you've created a visually striking post ready to engage your followers. And that's it. The more you practice, the faster and more creative you'll get. Thanks for watching and happy designing.